The Presto Professional Salad Shooter Electric Slicer Shredder. The easy way to slice or shred vegetables, fruit, cheese, and more. Just point and shoot right where you want. No extra bowls to clean. Includes a handy funnel guide and interchangeable cones for making thick slices, ripple slices, medium shreds, and super shreds. The cones slip right in. No complicated parts to assemble. An extra-large food chamber holds whole potatoes, and the adjustable food guide adapts to large or small loads. Shred cheese right onto a pizza. Slice fruit into a salad. Chop nuts to top a cake. It's easy to clean, too. The motor base wipes clean. All other parts are dishwasher safe. The fast and convenient way to make delicious salads, soups, pizzas, appetizers, desserts, and more. The Presto Professional Salad Shooter Electric Slicer Shredder. Classic model also available.
Hi, I'm Teresa with Cuisinart, and this is Cuisinart's frozen yogurt ice cream and sorbet maker. This unit holds up to 1.5 quarts of your favorite dessert. It comes with 3 basic parts. The first is the freezer bowl. This is a double insulated freezer bowl, which needs to be in the freezer for up to 8 hours. I'd prefer to keep it in the freezer overnight to make sure that it's solidly frozen. And it goes right here on the base. It requires no ice, so there's no mess, no fuss. This is our patent pending mixing paddle, which goes right here inside of the freezer bowl, and it makes ice cream or any frozen dessert in 20 minutes or less. And then here is the cover, which has a large spout right here, which allows you to add any mix in towards the end of if you're making ice cream, you want to add chocolate chips. It's wide enough for you to add that to your ice cream. And there you have it. That's our ice cream maker, and it makes, as I said, it makes great sherbet, sorbet, ice cream. Cuisinart's frozen yogurt ice cream and sorbet maker. Hi, I'm Teresa with Cuisinart, and here is our Cuisinart electric fondue set. It's a 3-quart capacity, 1,000 watts of power, and you can do many things in this pot, from melting cheese, as well as chocolate, and also heating up oil and cooking some raw meat, steaks, and chicken. It comes with a stainless steel fork ring, 8 stainless steel fondue forks, which are color-coded, as you can see. There's no eating off of somebody else's fork. You can use several recipes, as I said earlier: chocolate fondue, cheese fondue, or make meats. I'm actually going to take a piece of bread, stick it in the cheese fondue, and see how nice and cheesy and gooey that is. It also has 8 settings here on the adjustable control, temperature control. And it's a great appliance to have if you're entertaining. So there you have it, Cuisinart's electric fondue set.
Keep your kitchen and sport knives razor sharp with the Presto Eversharp electric knife sharpener. Its two-stage sharpening system quickly and easily sharpens most any non-serrated blade for professional results in the convenience of your home. Precision blade guides position the knife at the ideal sharpening angle for perfect results every time. Sapphirite grinding wheels are made of the same ultra-hard material used in professional shops. Stage 1 begins the sharpening process by creating a precision angled edge. Just draw the knife through each slot a few times. Then move on to Stage 2 and complete the sharpening. Once again, simply draw the knife through each slot a few times, and the blade is sharpened to a razor edge. It's the fast and easy way to get professional knife sharpening results at home. The Presto Eversharp electric knife sharpener. Professional 3-stage model also available.